Miss Nisha, and welcome back to my channel. This is No Heat Summer 2015 Week 2 video. Currently, I have a wash and go. If you want to know what products I use for this wash and go, check out my Instagram. My Instagram name is MZNISHIA13. So Miss Nisha 13. Make sure you check it out to see what products I use. I'm feeling this little funky part I tried to do. You can't see the part, but it's kind of evident in the hairstyle. But let's jump into this week's product. Big shout out to my coworker Sherelle. Thank you, Sherelle. She bought my Carol's Daughter Marula Curl Cleanser. And she also bought my Alikay Naturals Honey and Sage Deep Conditioner for my Secret Santa. Thank you so much. I'm finally getting around to using these products. I know you're going to kill me for waiting that long, but I had a lot of products and I was saving this for something special. I love this product. I think you can only get it at Ulta and carolsdaughter.com, but this was great. This is a co-wash product. Look how much of that I use. Like, this is an 8.5 ounce bottle. That's all I use. Look how big this bottle is. Look how much of that I got left. Amazing. And I did my whole head with this twice. And I still got all that left. I'm excited about that. Love this product. This is the first co-wash product I'm using by Carol's Daughter. And I absolutely love this. I know it is pricey. That's why I asked for it for my Secret Santa list. But if you can, try to buy the like smaller 4-piece sample kit. If you don't want to spend all your money getting just one product. But yes, look for the Marula Curl Cleanser at Ulta or carolsdaughter.com. Or you can get the small sample kit for both as well. I use the Honey and Sage Deep Conditioner as a pre-wash. It says on here that it can be used as a hair mask before shampooing, or you can use it as a treatment after shampooing. This week I tried it before shampooing. Really liked it. I was able to detangle my hair, and that's why it's all going. I didn't use it up all last week. It's all going because I had used it up between last week and the week before that. So, yes. I did love this stuff. And I would ask for it again as a Secret Santa gift. I just can't spend that much money on one product that only lasts me 2 uses. This is 8 flow ounces. I do have a lot of hair. So, yeah, I need something a little bigger. I'm sorry. But I do love the product. As my deep conditioner, I use my staple Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moist. You get 3 times the moisture in 3 minutes. So happy about that. I was so excited to use this product. Again, I'm actually going to be passing this one to a friend, but I just wanted to make sure the formula didn't change up or anything. But yes, still loving this product. If you have never tried it, try it. Leave it in only for 3 minutes the first time, and then try it again, however other ways you would like to leave it in. But just so you can see if the miracle is really in the 3 minutes, because for me, it's all I need. If I'm in a hurry, get this and get out. Okay, I'm sorry, y'all. I gotta get one last product. And I have my Herbal Essences Totally Twisted Curl Boosting Mousse. It is a strong 3. This is the Herbal Essence product. Last summer I fell in love with mousse. And I went on a mousse buying spree. So I bought this mousse and one other mousse, because I just was so in love with the mousse. I do like this mousse if you're one of those people that does your hair every couple of days. This is a great product. I only got 3 days wear out of this, which is fine. It's a mousse. It's not like I did a twist out or anything. It's just mousse. Like, you know, I was going somewhere. It was hot that day. I put it on my hair. My hair was dry. In about, 30 minutes, air dry. It would happen to be 80. We had a good day in the Midwest. So it was 80. So, yeah. I, really, really enjoyed this. However, if you like your hair to last longer, when my hair doesn't last more than 3 days, that's an issue for me. But after day 3, going into day 4, I'm okay with putting it in a puff. So I just puffed it out for the rest of the week with my edge control. Shout out to Cream of Nature. They had sent me some edge control. So I was puffing it out with my Cream of Nature edge control. And that's, I was just going with that. But I did like this. I will purchase this again. This foam comes out differently than the Pantene foam. I will say that. So don't be alarmed by that. It just, if you use the Pantene foam, I'm talking about the old foam before they changed the packaging. This does come out differently than that. I have no idea why. But yeah, I just wanted to mention that to you guys if that was something you were worried about. So, yes, thanks for watching. I hope you guys are participating in the No Heat Summer. You can tag me in your pics. No Heat Summer 2015. You can add me at Miss Nisha13 on Instagram or Twitter. Just Miss Nisha. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.